Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can read Snapchat messages without them knowing. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, what you have to do is just simply get over to Snapchat. And once you're in Snapchat, what you have to do is just go to chat bar. And right over here, you gotta find the chat that you don't want to read the message. So for our example, this is the message right over here. So if you don't want to, let them know that you've read your message and you want to check it out but not inform them, or they get curious if you open up the chat. So what you can do is just simply swipe down like this. Okay, and here, as you can see, if you do it like that, you can still read the chat, and it'll be like this, and it will still say new chat, which means that they haven't read the message. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.